माननीय के रागेश स्टैच्यूटरी रिजोल्यूशन यू हैव मूव्ड. आप बोल चुके हैं 3 मिनट इस विषय पे. आप 1 मिनट में कुछ कहें.
नहीं सर,
1 मिनट. आप इस विषय पे 3 मिनट बोल चुके हैं. प्लीज हमको दूसरा बिल भी लेना है. राजेश जी, आप समझ रहे हैं कि हालात. प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
As a mover of the resolution,
Yes, you please speak. Speak.
Give me 3 minutes, sir.
2 minutes. You speak. Please speak.
Sir, Honorable Minister and other honorable members were saying that it is for saving business and corporates. Well, but why the same logic is not applied in the case of farmers? Sir, farmers are also bankrupt. Why the government is not taking any responsibility, any initiative in waiving the farmers' loan? Moratorium has already been declared. But why at least government could have considered to waive the interest of the moratorium of the farmers' loan during the moratorium period? Why that is also not, at least that is not being considered? That is my one question. And secondly, sir, Honorable Minister was talking about 42% recovery on admitted claims. What does it mean? It means that 58% haircut has already been made. And the Honorable Minister is so vocal on NPS, which is the NPS that is being coming down. If you are giving 58% haircut, it is very clear, it is quite natural that the NPA will come down. If you are making such kind of haircut, NPA will naturally come down. So why, how can it, if you look at the example of Alok Industries, sir, Alok Industries had taken the huge loan as far as the reports. They had taken the huge loan by submitting fake invoices. And they were being given 83%.
Thank you, Ragesh ji. Thank you.
Sir,
you
it is
completed
nothing but the loot.
Thank you.
It is the corporate fraud, corporate loot.
Thank you,
sir.
Thank you. माननीय विवेक जी, आप जानते हैं समय का क्या कांस्टेंट है. दूसरा बिल भी हाउस को लेना है किस तरह के हालात में. प्लीज.
Honorable Finance Minister, I'm requesting that one point which has not been addressed and which people would like the Finance Minister to speak about is the proviso. We had raised this question of the proviso, which says that provided no application shall ever be filed for initiation of corporate insolvency resolution process of a corporate debtor for the said default occurring during the said period.
Thank you, Vivek ji.
Ever means for all times?
Thank you.
That has not been answered.
Thank you.
If it's possible.
Thank you. Now I shall first put the statutory resolution moved by Sri K.K. Ragesh to vote. The question is put. Those in favor will please raise their hands and say aye. Those against will please raise their hands and say no. I think the noes have it, the statutory resolution is negative. I shall now put the motion moved by Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman to vote. The question is that the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Second Amendment Bill 2020 be taken into consideration. Those in favor will please raise their hands and say aye. Those against will please raise their hands and say no. I think the ayes have it, the motion is adopted. We shall now take up the clause by clause consideration of the bill. Clause 2 stands part of the amendment. There is one amendment, number 1 by Sri Vivek K. Tankha. Amendment moved, not moving. I shall now put clause 2 to vote. Those in favor will please raise their hands and say aye. Those against will please raise their hands and say no. I think the ayes have it, clause 2 is adopted. Clauses 3 and 4 stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please raise their hands and say aye. Those against will please raise their hands and say no. I think the ayes have it, clauses 3 and 4 are adopted. Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title stand part of the bill. Those in favor will please raise their hands and say aye. Those against will please raise their hands and say no. I think the ayes have it, Clause 1, the enacting formula and the title are adopted. Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman to move that the bill be passed.
Sir, I move that the bill be passed.
Motion moved that the bill be passed. The question is that the bill be passed. Those in favor will please raise their hands and say aye. Those against will please raise their hands and say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The bill is passed.